This week at Peachybbies, I am kind of scared. I'm using artificial intelligence to make its own slime. I'm gonna be using ChatGPT and also Snapchat. Apparently Snapchat has AI right now. And then I'm gonna be making 2 slimes of my own, and I'm gonna have people in the warehouse try to guess if they can tell which ones were made by the AI and which ones were made by me. I'm going to ask ChatGPT for some slime suggestions. It said clear slime, fluffy slime, glow in the dark slime. Actually, that could be pretty cool. Crunchy slime, magnetic slime, glitter slime. These are not slime themes. Not a slime professional, obviously. This is embarrassing for him. Now he's apologizing. Okay, I feel bad. Let's rephrase the question. Give me some themes for me to make slime out of. Galaxy slime, mermaid slime, unicorn slime, Candyland slime, tropical paradise slime, Halloween slime, Wonderland slime. Oh my goodness. Wow, it definitely comes up with a lot of ideas, but I have to say, I come up with cooler ideas. Candyland slime, I actually really like that. I'm gonna ask it for the color, the scent, and the charm mix, and the texture of the slime, and to see if it can really create the whole slime just on its own. Give me details. Candy-shaped charms or sprinkles to the slime. Let's go over to Charmville and pick out some candy-themed charms and sprinkles. I am actually so excited about this charm and sprinkle mix. I can really envision this going really well with a cloud slime. I really hope it says cloud slime, but I understand that the AI knows best. Glossy texture is typically preferred. What are you talking about? No, it's not. I guess I'll go with thick and glossy because that's what it said it typically is, whatever that means. So let's go grab thick and glossy and then we'll have him pick a color. Here I have our thick and glossy slime. I purposefully grabbed the overactivated one because I don't support him choosing this and I kind of want to sabotage him. I'm gonna have him pick a color next. Choice is a vibrant and playful pink. That's kind of what I was hoping he would say. I grabbed the dye that turns skin color after a couple hours. Once again, sabotaging his slime a little bit, but I don't think he'll mind too much. Do you feel like this is playful? Hopefully he will be happy with that color. What scent should I add to this slime? Strawberry fragrance is reminiscent of candy, I guess. I don't really see the vision here, but that's okay. We have our strawberry kiwi. I added kiwi in there to once again sabotage him because he wasn't specific. He didn't say I couldn't add kiwi. He said fruit, and kiwi's a fruit, I think, so it's fine. I'm gonna add a little bit because it smells very strong. That was probably too much, honestly. Ugh. I'm not a fan of this smell. That's okay, he is, and I will respect that. Ugh. I can't wait to make mine. Mine's gonna be so much better. For the ultimate test, I'm going to ask him how I should assemble it. Gather all the necessary ingredients and materials. Okay. Once the slime begins to come together, knead it with your hands. If desired, sprinkle candy-themed glitter into slime and mix it in. I got him. This is his slime, and this is what he wants. Yeah, this doesn't look good at all. Finally, add the small candy-shaped charms or sprinkles into the slime. Gently fold them in. So he wants me to put all of these in there. Oh. That actually looks pretty cool. My plan worked. I got him to mess up his own slime. It doesn't look that bad, I guess. I think it is time for me to recreate the Candyland themed slime with how it should actually be done. For my Candyland themed slime, I'm going to do what comes to my mind first when I think of a Candyland themed slime, which is cloud. So I'm gonna go grab some cloud slime and get started on the color first instead of the sprinkles. For my version, I definitely want it to be a twist because I'm very creative with my human mind. This video is not supposed to be a diss to AI. That was not my goal here. I just get very competitive. So I'm gonna do a split color twist. I'm gonna leave this side white and I'm gonna get like a light blue and make it like a sky blue twist candy looking thing. Just wanna add the slightest bit of this. I really wanna try my hardest to get this to be super cute. I'm pretty happy with that color. Now I'm gonna get the right amount, roll it up into a little cylinder, the same amount of white. I wanna do that really cool twist thing that you see in a lot of slime. Now it's all combined. Slowly twist it. Add a bit to here, take off the top. There we go. I'm really happy with those colors. Since it's a candy themed, I think an ice cream scoop would look great on top of this. You guys might not know this, but I'm actually an expert at making ice cream balls on the top of slimes. Watch and be amazed. This is one of the worst ones I've ever made, but that's okay. How cute is that? Let's go grab some charms for this now. I grabbed the cutest sprinkle mix ever, and I kind of cheated because I grabbed the same charm that the AI has, but it's fine. Mine's gonna look better anyways. Gonna add a generous amount of this on here. Gonna add my charm, one more charm. This is also kind of the same charm that he has, but again, mine just fits better. And then I stepped it up by adding glitter. Oh, that really brings it together. Here is my finished Candyland slime. I think I'll call it Candyland Bear. I don't even want to stop looking at it. It's so cute. Comment down below if you think we should sell this in the shop, because I feel like I should pitch this to Andrea. So what do you guys think? Which one's better? This one's creating bubbles. It's like it's toxic. Let's move on to Snapchats and see what it suggests I make into slime. Give me a slime idea. It just linked me to an Amazon site. How about a galaxy slime with glitter and glow-in-the-dark stars? That's actually a great idea. What slime texture? A fluffy texture. Let's go grab some fluffy slime. What color? I think a dark blue or purple would look great for a galaxy slime. I feel like I'm talking to a person. This one's a lot more realistic than the last one. It's kind of freaking me out. Make up your mind, please. Dark blue. I put my foot down and it picked dark blue. Okay, I have our darkest blue slime. I'm putting on gloves so it doesn't look like I have frostbite on my hands. I added so much dye, it's starting to deactivate the slime. That is gonna be our final color. Can I send this thing pictures? I can. Working on your slime, bud. Hopefully it doesn't mind me calling it bud. It opened it. That's a great shot. You both look amazing. Just gonna ask it about charms now. Let's move on. What charms should I add? I think some star-shaped charms would be perfect. Okay, I need more than that. How about some glittery moon-shaped charms? What should the sprinkle mix look like? A mix of silver, blue, purple glitter would look amazing. And so far, my only complaint is that this is a really boring slime. We'll see how it looks when it's put all together. Let's ask him or her or they, I don't know, how to assemble it. You should start by adding the glitter, then the charm, then the activator. Mix it all together and you'll have your perfect galaxy slime. Gotta add all that to there. Some stars. So far, I'm pretty happy that I trusted the process. This definitely looks very galaxy-like. Let's ask it what scent I should add because I forgot to do that. What should this slime smell like? Lavender scent would be perfect for the galaxy theme. I got this perfect lavender vanilla scent. Gonna add a bunch of that in there. Smells good. Smells like a bathroom. I guess that's what space smells like. I bet this is the first slime that Snapchat's ever made. Honestly, it's a lot better than my first slime. Look at how cute it is. Let me send him a quick selfie with it. That cake looks delicious. What flavor is it? All right, well, that was a disappointment. Now it is my turn to make this exact same slime, but significantly better. So for my version of the galaxy slime, I'm gonna go with a black, thick and glossy. And we're lucky because I don't have to mix it together because I already made a black, thick and glossy. It's in the graveyard right now and I can just go grab it. I was actually wrong. This is not a thick and glossy. It is a jelly, but honestly, I think that might be better. I just have to pick out all this weird stuff in it because this is from our graveyard, so it's a little bit gross, but it will not be gross in a second. Okay, it feels good. I also want to add a glitter to this, and I don't know if it's cheating or not, but I really like the glitter mixture that they used. Not because I'm being lazy, but because it's pretty. And I want it to be hard to guess which one I made and which one the AI made, so if I steal its glitter idea, I feel like that makes it harder to guess. Can't really see the glitter, so I'm gonna add some of this one that I used for my last one because it looks like little stars. Fortunately, this slime is already scented. It smells like the air outside in the wintertime, so that's actually perfect for Galaxy. Now time for our fourth and final trip to Charmville to pick out my Galaxy charms. I got some super cute charms. I'm going for kind of a cutesy version of the Galaxy, maybe like Hawaii Galaxy or something. I don't really know, but I think it looks super cute. Let's assemble now. Let's get it all in here. I'm gonna add these little tiny planet charms, some little tiny planets. And those go perfectly with these cute little kawaii planets that I found. The bigger ones, adorable. And then some stars, obviously, but I wanted the stars to be a little bit more interesting than those ones. That's so cute. I'm really happy with that. I think that looks A lot better than the Snapchat one. Our 4 slimes are ready. Now it's time for people from the warehouse to react and see if they can tell which one the AI created and which one I created. We have Jacqueline with us here to react to our slimes first. Okay, let's start with Candyland. Jacqueline, I would like for you to look at these slimes, smell these slimes, and tell me which one is better, first of all, and which one you think a human made and which one did an AI make.
No way.
Yeah.
Okay. The colors are kind of all right, I guess. Ooh, I do like the smell. Kind of painty, and it's like a strawberry milkshake kind of. Don't like whatever this charm is. Oh, it's a jelly bean.
Jelly bean.
All right, this one obviously is much cuter. Has a very human design, if you ask me. Oh my God, I love this one. Well, this is more joyous. This looks like fleshy puke.
So if you had to pick one of these two to buy.
To buy, absolutely that one. But I feel like this is a trick question, and I think an AI made this one.
You think an AI made the blue Candyland one, and the blue Candyland one is also the best one?
Yes.
Next we have galaxy themed slimes.
This one has a very weird consistency. Nothing I've ever seen from Peachybbies before. The pigment is very dark. I feel like it'll stain my hands.
It might.
Smells like baby powder. Interesting.
That's what it smells like.
These charms are super cute. I love the black, and I know this won't stain my hands because it's a clear, and it's kind of like purpley. Ooh, I love this. What is this scent?
Winter air.
Oh, I like that.
Good pops.
Good bubble pops. Ooh, I love this one. This one's a good one. This one's my favorite.
Okay.
I think an AI made that. It's giving cornstarch.
Okay. This one is AI made. Snapchat actually made this one.
No way.
And this one is also AI made by ChatGPT.
Oh,
He's not very talented.
very not talented. I'm not a fan of ChatGPT.
Me neither. Thank you for your reaction.
Yeah, no problem.
Now we have Anna reacting to our slimes. Here are the 4 slimes we'll be reacting to today. I would like you to tell me which one is your favorite and which one you think an AI made.
This one.
Oh, okay. Which one do you like more?
Ooh, this one's beautiful. I love the colors. I love how shiny it is. So I like this one more. I don't think AI got too creative with the color scheme here. So I'm gonna go with this one.
This one's your favorite?
No, this one's my favorite.
That was your favorite.
This one's my favorite. AI made this one.
Okay, let's move on to our second slime. This is our galaxy themed slime. Which one is your favorite and which one do you think AI made?
Ooh, this one's like emo girl, but in space.
Oh, it is like emo girl, yeah.
Wow.
Emo girl in space.
Emos in space. I really like this one already just because it's such a vibe. I like how it looks like kind of purple and the texture is really nice. Can I just like play with it?
Yeah.
Don't love the smell, but I love the way it feels. This one's cool and it smells amazing. What is the scent?
Lavender vanilla.
Oh, reminds me of lavender cow, and that's like my favorite slime. I just love the smell, but the texture is kind of weird. And it's dyeing my hands. So
yeah,
I like this one. This one's my favorite.
Okay.
Emos in space.
That one's your favorite. Which one of these two do you think was created by an AI?
I think that one.
You were correct on both of them. This was made by an AI. This was also made by an AI. And you're right, these are the 2 best ones.
Yeah.
So I made those ones as it's the best.
I just know you're creative, Erin.
Yeah.
More creative than AI. Come on.
Now we are joined by Christian. Christian, here are 4 slimes. Tell me which ones are your favorite and then which ones you think an AI created and which ones a human created. So for our first slime, these are Candyland themed slimes. Which one's your favorite? Which one do you think an AI created?
Okay, this one just looks like bubblegum, which is kind of cool. It smells very potent. I do like the texture though, I don't mind it. The color's fine. I wish it was just more pink, like it's too much of a pastel pink, but not what I want from slime. Feels like it's missing something. And then this one, I don't want to just say it looks better because of the scoops, because I feel like that's kind of cheating. So I'm gonna look at it at the same way that this one is, how this one just looks flat. Now this is even.
Okay, yeah.
Oh, I think this looks a lot better. I do like that the two-tone, especially blue's my favorite color, so I'm biased. I like this one better because I just like this texture better.
And which one do you think an AI created?
I could honestly see both. Gut feeling, the AI made this one because it just feels like too perfect in a way. And I feel like this is like some creative decision that somebody made. This is something that I would make.
Great, awesome. Thank you for that very in-depth review. Next, we have our galaxy-themed slimes. Which one is your favorite and which one do you think an AI created?
Right off the rip, this one is just way more eye-catching. It's like, especially the charms, it's kind of cool. It literally looks like when you look up at the stars, like this is what I'll see. This one smells like a diaper. Listen, Aaron, if you made this one, slime making skills will be in question. You didn't make this. I would have to say that this one you made and then AI made this one. Pro knowledge. An AI wouldn't know that if you saturated the slime too much, that pigment would get on your fingers.
Great news, you're right, an AI made this. The bad news is the reason you thought an AI made it is actually my fault.
What do you mean?
I was the one who saturated it that much. But you said this one's your favorite?
Oh, absolutely.
Snapchat actually made this. Isn't that interesting?
Good luck, Snapchat. I mean, that was...
I thought it was good. I thought you did great job, Snapchat.
No.
And this one was created by an AI.
Oh, okay.
But thank you for reacting. So it looks like everybody could tell which one was the AI and which one I created, so AI's really got to step up its game. If this video gets 3,000 likes, I'll make this into a series. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next week.